Hi, this is Mobile Max, West Hollywood, California. And here's the story. I pulled the high pressure fuel pump out of an '09 Tiguan yesterday. I had already ordered the new part, and unfortunately, they were different. The new part was different. The fitting down on the bottom was different. The old one had threads on the outside, and the new one had the threads on the inside. So the fitting, the copper fitting right here, wouldn't work. So I actually took the part number off the old one, and I just ordered another new one, and guess what? The second one was exactly as the first one I'd ordered. It still looked like that. The answer to the problem was I had to buy another fitting. The fitting, if you buy another fuel pump for a 2.0 T turbo, CBFA or CCTA, '09 Volkswagen, you might have to buy another fitting as well because the old fitting might not fit on. So that was the answer. I just had to buy another fuel fitting that fit on the bottom. It's a pretty straightforward job. You just need basically a 30 star bit and a pair of vice grips and a 17 millimeter wrench. And you can do this job. You must remove the air filter first, or at least removing the air filter makes it a lot easier. Okay, this is Mobile Max, 310-804-4185. Thank you.